Need to change your EIN or tax details in Walmart Seller Center? I'll show you exactly how to do it in today's video. First thing you do is log into Walmart Seller Center. You're gonna go in that top right-hand corner, click on that gear icon. That's gonna take you to the settings. It's gonna take you right here, and then what you're gonna do is go to the left side, scroll down, and click on Business Information, right? So once you're here, it's gonna look just like this. You're gonna click Edit Business Details. This is where you're gonna edit your details. It's gonna ask for your EIN number, your legal business name. You can completely edit it right here. Now watch out, once you click Edit Business Details and you do edit your information, Walmart is most likely going to trigger an account review. So they're going to review your account, and they're going to ask for documentation that proves that you actually have an EIN and things like that. So just be ready and make sure everything you type in is legit. You can also go to your taxes button and update your tax code. So on the left side, you can click taxes and update your tax code. But again, the main area you're going to be updating your actual tax information is this business information button right here, and you click Edit Business Details. But that's it for today's video. Want more Walmart Seller Center tutorials like this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, listing quality score, converting your listings to WFS, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart or trying to optimize your listings yourself. We're going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.